Alright guys, we got Joe here is going to do a couple of these brand new 2016 Super Break Celebrity 8x10 signed photos. Let's see what we got. Just released. First up, wow. That box should have been for Sammy. It's about the furthest thing away from boobies, huh? Joe Manganiello. I don't even know who he is or what he's in. We'll just set that aside. Number 2. I've never seen that show. And box 2 is Clive Owen. JSA authenticated. It's pretty cool. Alrighty. Appreciate it, buddy. If you'd like any more, let me know.